Now we discuss about thermal method of analysis. Thermal analysis is a branch of material science where the properties of materials are studied as they change with temperature. Several methods are commonly used. These are distinguished from one another by the property which is measured. Thermal analysis. Dielectric thermal analysis, permittive and loss factor. Differential thermal analysis means DTA, temperature difference. Differential scanning calorimetry means DSC, heat difference. Dialometry, DIL, volume. Dynamic mechanical analysis, mechanical stiffness and damping. Evolved gas analysis, EGA, gaseous decomposition product. Laser flash analysis, thermal diffusibility and thermal conductivity. Thermogravimetric analysis, TGA, mass. Thermochemical analysis, dimension. Thermo-optical analysis, optical properties. Common thermal analysis methods and properties measured, method, abbreviation, and property measured. Differential thermal analysis, DTA, temperature difference. Differential scanning calorimetry, abbreviation, DSC, and property measured is enthalpy. Method, thermogravimetric analysis, abbreviation, TGA, and property measured is mass. Dynamic mechanical analysis, DMA, property deformation. Dielectric thermal analysis, DEA, is property deformation. Evolved gas analysis is abbreviation EGA, gases decomposition. Thermo-optical analysis is abbreviation TOA, optical properties. Then introduction. Introduce thermal analysis at entry level chemist or a new function for the experienced pharmaceutical scientist. This teaching tool describes the introductory use of differential scanning calorimetry and thermomechanical analysis, and to some extent thermogravimetric analysis for characterizing pharmaceuticals. Objective. The main objective to introduce thermal analysis and its application at an entry level in the pharmaceutical industry. In the process, instruments were successfully calibrated using pharmaceutical. Study the behavior of pharmaceutical by different thermal analysis instrument under different conditions and the compare result was another objective. Basic principle of thermal analysis. Modern instrumentation used for thermal analysis usually consists of the following parts: sample holder, compartment for the sample, sensors to detect major property of the sample and the temperature, and enclosure within which experimental parameters, temperature, speed, environment may be controlled. A computer to control data collection and processing. Thermal analysis, differential scanning calorimetry, DSC, measure heat absorbed or liberated during heating or cooling. Thermal gravimetric analysis, TGA, measure change in weight during heating or cooling. Differential thermal analysis, DTA, they are used for thermal investigation where thermal change can be observed and characterized. Thermomechanical analysis, TMA, measure change in dimensions during heating or cooling. These are total thermal analysis to our syllabus. In this point, DSC, TGA, DTA, these are the most important thermal analysis things. Thank you.